me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me.
What's up, beautiful babes? Your girl, Sweet Angel. Thanks for coming to hang out with me right here on Sugar Fingers. Y'all, it's been a long time since we talked about nails. Probably because I don't have any. And you know I'm doing my natural nail journey right now. And I tried to leave on those nails I had before, but y'all saw my last video. They're all broken off. You know, my last video about the nails. They were so weak. And right now I'm just letting them grow out. But that doesn't mean I can't keep them cute. You know, I can still keep them cute. And that's what we're going to do today. So right now I'm just going to spray a little alcohol on them because they are super oily. Because you know I'm always using lotion, oils all the time. And I am going to cleanse that off. And let me tell you what I'm going to use today. Of course, the alcohol does dehydrate the nail, but I'm going to use my Manicure nail dehydrator. The first thing I'm going to do. Okay, so let me go ahead and do that now and get those dehydrated while I chit chat with you all on anything. And nothing really is shaking. Other than y'all know, I've been using these hands for trying to get our family room redecorated. And please follow me on all of my channels. Subscribe to each one of them because I am giving all the tea every which way I can on all of the channels. So not just one. You can't just go to beauty and check out that and know all the deets about me. You can't just come over here on Sugar Fingers. You can't just go on behind the scenes. You got to do them all so that you'll have all the info. And don't leave out my music channel, Sweet Angel Live. So check those out. All right, I have the dehydrator done. So the next thing I'm going to use is this primer here. It is also by Manicure, so I'm going to prime my nails. So let's get that popping. Okay, just taking them one at a time. It's been a few oh gosh, how many? 2 weeks since I polished my nails, did anything to them. But you know, I definitely will be doing more nail videos. Right now they just are so not exciting because these dang things are gone. Like they're growing back. My nails grow, you know, super fast because I've cut them and in fact just filed them again today because they're so thin right now. That new growth is so thin that it's just pretty much useless to keep them long because they're going to break so easily for sure. So now that that's done, now we're going to go into the nail polishes. Now for the nail polishes today, I'm going to be using Madam GLAM products. The base coat is here. I will be using one of their nail polishes. Let's see, the color of this one is, I'll say DULCE. I say it's DULCE. That's the color there. And the top coat is here. So let's get started on the nails. Let's start with, of course, the base coat. So I'm going to go ahead and use my Melody Susie lamp and 30-second cure time on these. Go ahead and do all of this. So let me just go ahead and finish this up. I'm just going to put a thin coat. I'm just tapping it on and then I'm going to smooth it out on each nail. I didn't do my makeup on camera today, but the lipstick I'm using, let me show you, or the lippy. I'm not even sure if this is a, what is it? Is it a liquid lipstick? It's by Fashion Fair. It's older, y'all. You know they're back with their makeup line now, Fashion Fair is. But it's a matte lip cream. And what is the color of it? It's called Catfight, and it's so pretty. All right, the base coat is done. Let me do the other hand. So I was just speeding along this process, not even thinking about it, honey. I went ahead and put on the Dolce color on the nails as well. Mike did pop in. He just got off work, so you know your girl got her little special present thanks to my hubby. I can shop some more. And y'all, these nails are cute. And that's what she looks like. Let me put on a second coat. So that'll make them look cute for the weekend. You know what I'm saying? That's it. That's it. Okay. And now the top coat right here. And that's the last one. This is what the left hand is looking like. So short, nubby nails, but it's so good. You know, I've really been loving the short nails because I've had so much work to do. And of course, you know, long nails just ain't gonna suit the bill for all I've been doing with my hands. So guess what? I'm good with it. I'm good with it. Yeah. And they're done just like that. Now let me just wipe them down with some alcohol. Alright, I don't have any cuticle oil, but I do have my jerkins over here that I have been loving, which it is nourishing, super nourishing, and it gives a little sheen too, so that's good enough for the cuticles and so forth, and it's still perfect. Yes, indeed. There we go. Nails are done. And it's the weekend, so let's go have some fun. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel, signing out for now. Thank you so much for hanging out with me right here on Sugar Fingers. Remember to keep your hair, your face, your hands, and your feet looking gorgeous. See you on the next one. Bye. Looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. Cherry on top, get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 the things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, the things I love. You could be the first and the second and the